Welcome to Compare to Win. The best M18 FUEL is probably one of the most versatile and powerful tools in the Milwaukee lineup, designed to tackle a wide range of automotive tasks with unparalleled efficiency and precision. This innovative tool is engineered for professionals and serious DIYers alike, offering a cordless solution that eliminates the hassle of air hoses and compressors, providing freedom of movement and consistent performance on any job site. Its advanced M18 FUEL technology ensures maximum power output, durability, and battery life, making it an indispensable asset for anyone serious about automotive maintenance and repair. Number 5. CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Brad Nailer CMCN 618C1. Introducing the CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Brad Nailer. This 18-gauge nail gun is designed for efficient and convenient nailing tasks. Experience true freedom with its fully cordless design. You can say goodbye to compressors, hoses, and expensive gas cartridges. It delivers consistent firing power, no matter the climate or material. You can rely on it for dependable performance every time. Get set up quickly with tool-free depth settings. Plus, clearing jams and stalls is a breeze thanks to its tool-free design. Designed for comfort, it's lightweight with an optimal center of gravity. This provides excellent balance and a comfortable grip during use. Enjoy enhanced comfort with its contoured, overmolded handle. A convenient belt hook is also included for easy access and storage. What we like. This tool eliminates the need for compressors and hoses, offering true cordless freedom. If you're looking for convenience and ease of use on various job sites, this is a great option. It provides consistent power in different conditions and allows for quick adjustments, making your work more efficient. What people say. It has worked really well, no jamming or other issues. I have used 1 to 1.5 and 2-inch brads, with no issues. The CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Brad Nailer works perfectly for trim and finish projects. It's powerful, easy to use, and no need for an air compressor or hoses. Battery life is great and plenty of power. Got the job done. Number 4. VANON 18 V6.0 battery replacement. Introducing the VANON 18 V6.0 battery, designed to provide high output for your tools. Experience long-lasting runtime that matches OEM performance. This replacement battery is compatible with a wide range of 18V cordless tools. It seamlessly fits models like 48-11-1850 and many others. Enjoy peace of mind with advanced safety features. It protects against overcharging, over-discharge, and overcurrent, ensuring steady performance. Support fast charging and maintain steady voltage with its reliable circuit. Plus, there's no memory effect, so it's ready when you are. Rest assured with CE, FCC, and ROHS certified quality. This battery is tested to match OEM standards, providing a safe and reliable power source. We stand by our product with a 12-month replacement period. If your battery is damaged, contact us for support. What we like. This battery offers double the power of standard batteries and a long-lasting run time. If you need extended use for your existing 18V tools and want reliable performance with safety certifications, this is the choice for you. It's designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of compatible tools, ensuring you can keep working without interruption. What people say. High torque and long-lasting in comparison to the stock battery. The replacement batteries I can accomplish this and not even lose a bar on the battery charge. They charge using the stock charger with no issues and rather quickly. Number 3. Barska FV1000 Fireproof Vault Safe. Keep your valuables safe from fire with this fireproof safe. It's designed to withstand high temperatures, protecting your belongings for up to 30 minutes in fires up to 1,400 degrees Fahrenheit. This safe offers generous storage space for all your important items, from documents and jewelry to cash and firearms. With 8.48 cubic feet of organized space, everything is easily accessible. Secure your belongings with its advanced electronic keypad lock. You can set your own PIN for quick and easy access, with a backup key for added peace of mind. Built with solid steel, this safe is designed for long-lasting durability. Its pry-resistant door and heavy-duty locking bolts offer superior security against unauthorized access. This is an excellent choice for safeguarding crucial documents, precious jewelry, cash, and irreplaceable items. It protects against both fire and theft. Perfect for home or office use, it provides organized space for firearms, ammunition, and other valuables. What we like. This safe provides robust fireproof protection for up to 40 minutes at 1200 degrees Fahrenheit, safeguarding your valuables. If you are looking for a secure place to store firearms, important documents, or other precious items, its durable construction and advanced locking mechanism offer peace of mind. The ample storage and user-friendly electronic keypad make it an excellent security solution for home or office. What people say. The Milwaukee 2746-20 is a powerful and versatile tool that can handle a variety of tasks. Its compact design and lightweight construction make it easy to maneuver and use for extended periods. The tool features a brushless motor that provides excellent power and efficiency, as well as a long lifespan. Number 2. RIUVAO 150W LED Temporary Work Light. Experience brilliant light with 24,750 lumens, perfect for any commercial or industrial setting. Save energy and eliminate dark spots with this powerful lighting solution. Setting up is a breeze thanks to the steel safety snap lock. Connect multiple units in series, up to 10, for extended coverage. Its rugged design with a heavy-duty steel guard withstands shocks and rough handling. Enjoy efficient heat dissipation and protection against voltage surges. This light is shatter-resistant and IP65 rated, ready for any weather condition. It's built to last with a 50,000-hour lifespan. Each unit is rigorously tested to meet high standards, free from harmful substances. We stand by our product and are here to assist you. What we like. This work light delivers an impressive 24,750 lumens, illuminating large areas with exceptional brightness. If you need reliable lighting for construction sites, workshops, or any demanding environment, its rugged, shatter-resistant, and waterproof design is ideal. It's built to withstand harsh conditions and offers energy efficiency, ensuring you won't have to worry about dark corners. What people say. This light works great. My hubby set it up over our sport court and it lights up the entire area. Excellent light for the workspace. It really brightens the area. Really powerful lights. Number 1. Milwaukee 3/8 Cordless Mid-Torque Impact Wrench. Experience the unmatched power of this mid-torque impact wrench. Its cordless design offers ultimate freedom and convenience for any job. Featuring a versatile 3/8-inch drive, it's perfect for a wide range of fastening tasks. Get the job done efficiently with this essential tool. Say goodbye to cords and compressors. This battery-powered tool provides portability and ease of use wherever you need it. Crafted by Milwaukee, a trusted name in power tools, this wrench is designed for durability and performance. It's made in the United States for quality you can rely on. Weighing only 11.7 ounces, it's surprisingly lightweight for its power. This makes it comfortable to handle, even during extended use. This tool is part of Milwaukee's extensive line of fastening tools and accessories. Expand your capabilities with their innovative solutions. What we like. This tool offers the convenience of cordless operation with mid-torque power for various fastening tasks. If you're a professional or DIYer who needs a compact and powerful wrench for automotive work or general repairs, this is a solid choice. Its lightweight design and efficient performance make it suitable for extended use without fatigue. What people say. Amazing torque this has. I put an adapter on it for 1/2 inch and use impact sockets. Love this impact gun. This thing takes a lot of that work and makes it easy. Saves a lot of time, and wear and tear on your body. This was small enough and tough enough to get it done. It has multiple settings for torque, so you can get max torque coming off, but reduce it to put back on. This makes it so you don't accidentally break the head off a bolt or tear up your threads. I also like that it has lights that are in line with the socket, you can see fine in even the darkest areas. Feels good in the hand, and the stub nose design makes it easier to get into really tight places. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.